Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Gear Up Booster. In order to do so, here we are at gearupbooster.com. And what does Gear Up Booster do? Well, it reduces ping for all games on any device. Do you want to get rid of high ping packet loss, spikes, and jitters? Here we are as your game network guardian. Gear Up Booster will never let a poor internet connection stop your thrill gaming. Now, I do have to say that if you have a poor internet connection, I think you need to manage your expectations in terms of how much something like Gear Up Booster is actually going to work. It's not necessarily going to magically fix your internet if you have low internet. I think that might be a little bit of an oversimplification. But if you do have a solid internet connection and you want to make sure that you are pulling more performance out in those tense moments in multiplayer, then you might want to consider using Gear Up Booster. And what you can do is, if you are on desktop, you can come here and you can click on Get Gear Up Booster. And you can see here that we can download that for Windows. And we also have a console booster. We'll just take a closer look at that. And in terms of the console booster, I do believe that you are going to need to actually buy a device. And this is, you can watch this video here, but this is the device that you're actually going to need to buy. And let's go ahead and let's click on buy now so you can see for yourself. So you can see that we have the HyperEV Wi-Fi 6 gaming router, gaming Wi-Fi booster for PS5, for Xbox, and Switch. And that is going to cost you around 193 Canadian. And you can see also there that the app installed for PC. So you can install the app for PC, and you also can purchase the is available on mobile device as well. That's not the right place. Let's go ahead and go back there. There we go. And we're going to click on Mobile Booster. So you can see here that you can get that on Google Play and on the App Store. Now, in addition to that, there is a subscription. So you are going to need to keep that in mind as well. And let's just see if we can find the information here related to the subscription, which seems to be somewhat buried. So that's kind of interesting, but let's go ahead and get that information for you. Be just a moment. So yeah, it just seems to me that if you look at the main site and you look for any information related to the subscription, if it is here, it's definitely hiding. And so that to me is a little bit of a question mark. That kind of information I feel like needs to be up front and center. But there is a subscription with it, and it's probably going to be around $10 a month. Once you install the app, then that's where you're going to get the information related to getting the subscription. So just bear that in mind, but that is essentially what it's going to take for you to be able to use Gear Up Booster. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.